You are the bastard, though.
Bastard of Winterfell.
What's my name? Jon Snow?
This is Jon Snow. He's king in the north.
They killed me, Ed, my own brothers.
They think you're some kind of god. The man who returned from the dead.
The king in the north!
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will talk about arithmetic instructions with example in assembly languages. Introduction to arithmetic instructions. Arithmetic instructions is assembly language are used for performing basic mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These instructions manipulate data stored in register and memory to perform calculations. Arithmetic instructions are essential for performing complex components to computer programs. Addition operation. The add instruction is used to add two values together in assembly language. For example, an add the values stored in register AX and BX and store the result in CX. The following code are used: ADD, CX, AX, BX. The instructions can be used to add an immediate value to the register such as add AX10. Subtraction operation. The subtraction operation is used to subtract one value from another in assembly language. For example, to separate the values in the register AX from the value of register BX and store the result in CX. The sub instructions can also be used to subtract an intimate value from a register such as sub AX5. Multiplication operation. The MUL instruction is used to multiply two values together in assembly language. For example, to multiply the values in register AX and BX and store the result in DX, a 32-bit product. The following code can be used as MUL BX. The MUL instructions can be used to multiply a register by the immediate value. Division operation. The division instruction is used to divide one value by another in assembly language. For example, divide the 32-bit value in a register DX raised by the value of register BX. The division instructions can also be used to divide a register by an intimate value. Increment and decrement operation. The INC instructions is used to increment the value of the register of memory location by 1. For example, the increment the value of register AX and the following code can be INC AX. The DEC instructions used to discriminate the values of the register or the memory location by 1. Negation operation. The NEG instruction is used to change the sign of the value in assembly language. For example, the negate the value register AX. The NEG instruction effectively multiplies the operator by -1. Shift operation. Shift instructions are used to shift the bits of the value left or right in assembly language. Shift operations are commonly used for multiplication and division by powers of 2. Logical operations. Logical instructions are used to perform bitwise logical operations in assembly language. For example, we perform a bitwise AND operation between the values in register AX and BX and store the result in CX. Logical operations are useful for manipulating individual bits within the data. Summary: Arithmetic instructions in assembly language is fundamental for performing mathematical operations in computer programs. These instructions allow for the manipulate of the data stored in the register and the memory of a performing calculations. Understanding and utilizing arithmetic instructions is crucial in programming effective algorithms.